click record yet?
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Steven. This is my boat. Same boat you saw last time. Still got the same seat in it. Last time it put me in the water. Brandon was right, and I was wrong.
Internet was right.
The internet was right. I underthunk it. I was supposed to have thunk it more. And this is the boat now. So I spread the hull out on it, and that should give me a little wider displacement in the center section, kind of more like a kayak shape a little bit. And then beat the bottom of the boat up.
Oh.
Beat the bottom of the boat up to get kind of a shape.
Yeah.
The rear section of the hull. Want it to kind of look like a planing hull, but made some fins that y'all call outriggers. Everybody likes outriggers.
That was the most commented.
I think I did it the least effective way possible compared to what everybody else would have did on the internet. Everybody said put pontoons on my pontoons kind of thing.
Yeah.
I didn't want the sticking off the side, like, you know, the footage. I don't want to take up that much square footage. I'm trying to go fast.
Yeah.
I'm trying to be sliding on the water. So today, now that it's all wrapped up and scrapped up pretty, we're gonna stick it in the water again and see if I can stay dry. It's supposed to be dry.
Yeah. Luckily, let's get a temp of outdoor air temp. Let's see.
Oh, it's much better.
The watch is saying 61.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you can see that.
Is a lifesaver. Last time I was hypothermic.
It was chilly.
Like 35-degree water last time.
I don't know what Ship Branch Creek is.
It's
now.
36. It's cold.
It's cold. Yeah.
It's really cold, but we're gonna stick the boat in the water and see if we can't make it float.
Yeah.
Better than last time.
I'm gonna set y'all up on a tripod so you can see us.
Yeah.
Hey, stick that paddle down there. See how deep that thing is. 'Cause we don't know the depth of this thing.
It's mud.
Oh, okay. It's
so
just muck.
soft
It's just muck.
that you just go right through it.
Yeah.
Like you just
There's no
never
bottom.
Yeah, there's no bottom. There's no such thing as standing in it. You would have to be kicking. Somebody got firepower.
We got a cannon down there.
Yeah. It's alright. Yeah, I got faith in it.
Famous last words.
I got faith in it. I am gonna take my phone out and stuff.
Yes, you do that.
I'm gonna let you put the nose in, and I'm gonna take the boat. Careful, careful.
Almost there.
Don't show them your hiney. Careful with
The wrap.
well, no, not the rat, but the birds. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we in the water.
We in. Go back, grab the camera.
I got a tree under.
Yeah.
Trees.
Okay.
Couldn't do that before. Got to be better than it was, because you couldn't do that before.
Yeah.
Couldn't let go of it. Oh man, might have a boat.
She better.
Might have a boat. There's a chance. Empty my goods.
Yeah.
My wallet.
Anything you don't want to get wet.
I even wore the same shirt.
Oh, you same shirt in it? I didn't even recognize it.
Dude, all I did was change my hat. Since the last time you were gone.
And got the foliage off your back.
Yeah.
Man, he beat me up about that. He's like, man, you didn't tell me I had foliage on me.
Yeah. He just let me walk around with leaves on me. That's rude.
Let's see how little help I can be getting you out of this thing.
Yeah. Okay. It already feels way better.
You're on the bank over there. I see it. Probably need to grab the camera so I can see it. Oh man.
Here, go get you.
Let me get the cord.
Recording device.
Alright, Steven.
Yo.
You floating? That's way less tippy. Got the wings in the water.
Dude,
Try wiggling a little bit.
try wiggling.
Wiggle.
I'm about to be flying.
Go ahead. Uh-oh. I'm that's thorny over there. Don't fall that way.
Jesus Christ.
Do not. Do not fall that
That's
way.
how you go to hell.
Yeah.
Is fall in that. Same thing. Go to the bigger water out here
Yeah.
where I can turn around. Get the speed up.
You need to trim up your ditch here.
God,
It's pretty bad.
that bad ain't mine.
I know it ain't.
Dude.
Man, you floating in a tune. Look at you.
What a boat. I don't need no outrigger.
No.
I just needed a whole redesign.
Yes.
I'm about to cross my feet.
You were sitting in a
Look,
you were
did
sitting
see
in a
that
drum.
readjustment? Did you see that readjustment?
The video
I
did.
not do that.
uh-oh.
Oh,
Hold on.
just run aground. Dude, what a boat.
We should have put the GoPro on it.
Should have put a motor on it.
It's coming.
Ah, it needs a motor fast. It's gonna be so fast.
Man,
It's gonna be so fast, Brandon.
look at that. Hang on.
With low output, it's gonna be fast.
Man, that was like we were sitting in the shop for like a few hours after the whole ordeal of him flipping over and whatnot. And that was the idea that we came up with, was those little wings, floaties. And man, that was the best little thing.
They work flawless.
They're great.
They look like a professional did it.
Man, you are up to the screw marks back there. Just where the screws coming through. You're up to the high one.
I didn't do any math.
Yeah, you didn't math it. You just did it.
I screwed them to the side where I needed to do it.
Yeah.
And that seems to be just about the right spot. They ought to make some lift. Like when the boat starts taking off and the nose comes up, that water's going to hit it rushing and it's going to start playing out. It's going to be fast.
Yeah.
It's going to be super fast. When it hits the bottom of that flat spot on the plane, that little pad, planing pad,
Yeah,
pontoon boat. It's funny.
See if you can get up on a plane here.
It ain't.
I know it ain't.
It ain't.
You ain't gonna right now.
Yeah, I ain't got the thrust.
No, you need to.
I ain't got much boat in the water in the front, do I?
No, you sitting on the keel up there.
Got nothing.
But you got all the boat in the back though. Man, she good. She's a floater. Man,
I'd say that was a good 3.5 mile an hour.
at least every bit of it. Every bit of
It's
it.
not a paddle boat. It doesn't. These are in the way.
No, yeah.
Like, straight down
I saw
here.
you hit them. Yeah, yeah.
But-
If you were in the middle seat,
Yeah. Yeah. You could probably
that'll
stick
be
out.
a.
Yeah. It would actually paddle better in the middle.
We
Like
can
with
move
the
it up.
weight. Yeah.
We can move you up.
Yeah.
It just need a readjustment. That's up to you.
I'm
You
good.
dry. You still dry.
I'm good. I'm gonna put it all in my head.
Well, man, I don't know exactly what time we put it in there, but I can go ahead and say you've been in there for at least 3 minutes, and that is a whole lot better.
Bone dry.
You're still dry. That's good.
Bone dry. Other than the drips off my paddle.
Yeah.
Man, I need bigger water now.
Yeah.
People on the internet are right. They
Now I
say
need
not
bigger
to
water.
believe what you read on the internet, but they were wrong. I should have believed it. I need a bigger body of water.
Yeah. Now you do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good thing we got all the water we need to about
Oh yeah, we
3 miles
we
away.
get geographically advantaged
Yeah.
to that.
Yeah.
So that's cool. Yeah, we're gonna have some footage soon of this thing motorized in some form or fashion.
Yes. Can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
You got some foliage on that thing.
Oh man.
Yeah.
If
All
it
right.
were warmer water,
Yeah.
I would give it the check.
the
know what
tip.
I'm
The
saying?
tip check. Yeah.
The tippy check.
Yeah.
I'm
I
scared.
think you. What's the water feel like?
I'm scared. It's cold.
Touch it. Yeah.
Oh no, I didn't touch it.
Yeah.
It's frigid. it's like just about froze. It's frigid.
I don't have.
The bottom of this boat is like.
Oh, it's freezing.
Ice.
Yeah.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Here. So, yeah.
All right. Well, you ready to get out of the water?
Yeah.
All right.
Keep it in the ditch.
Keep
or between the ditches.
Yeah. All right. You know our outro kind of went like keep it between the ditches. I mean, here you are in the ditch.
Every time. Every time.
Here you are in the ditch. Damn. All right. Well, peace out, guys. Later.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone? Don't tell me I'm wrong. Been gone for too long, but I'm back again.